TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials finish up 157, NASDAQ up 137, S&P's up 31. Now, that may not seem like a lot, folks, okay, and the NASDAQ, it's 1.4%. There's no doubt that is a lot. S&P's 0.5%, Dow Jones 0.6%. But when you see from the lows of this morning to where we closed out, bottom line, monster numbers. Dow Industrials moved 1,000 points. We had a low out here of 24,843. It moved as high as 25,891 and closed out at 25,763. If we take a look at the SPY, what you're going to see out here is that your SPY pulled back to the breakout area. It did reject lower price at that particular point, had lighter volume, so I suspect you're going to get some kind of a pop tomorrow or two. This can get up to the highs that were generated out here on the downdraft of last Thursday, and that's 312. Right now, you're at 307.11. NDX 100, that is what basically dragged these indices much higher. Has been, is, all of the above in the aspect of the strongest indice out here. That also came back to its breakout area, did it with lighter volume, rejected price. Bottom line, NDX 100 also wants 243, and right now you're at 238. Gold contract also reversed out here today, rejected lower price. Bottom line, you had the dollar get destroyed as the gold had hit a low of 1706. Closed out at 1733. You did 194,000 contracts. That was going into 200, and it was a monster, 274,000. So you can see you had a flat out rejection of lower price, tremendously lighter volume. Gold still in this consolidation, still in a confirmed ABC structure in the way up. And this has been on, folks, since the 7th of April. So this is one long consolidation. What has happened, this was just still bullish for the gold market in a big way. Every time you're pushing to the highs, you're pushing there with volume, but still not enough. When we push to the lows, you get a monster contraction in volume. And if we get over to the good old dollar index, what you're going to see out here, the dollar totally gave up all its gains that it had measured last Friday. Went from a price point of 97,390, you're at 96,707. That baby is going after its March swing low once again. Have a great night, folks. Have a safe night. Come back and visit us tomorrow morning. Please tell your friends about TFNN. Tell them to go to YouTube, search TFNN, subscribe. It's free. Look at them, folks.